So hi friends, this is Jovi back again from Cambridge Spoken English, and today, as I promised you, we'll be dealing with what not to speak when you're in IELTS speaking test. So basically, when you're entering the cabin and you start speaking, never ever speak in a monotone. Don't sound dry or dull. Don't say as if you have no interest in the examiner itself. Speak that you are very enthusiastic. I'll tell you one thing: if you are not enthusiastic while speaking, your grade will be reduced drastically. And never ever speak in a monotone. The second and the most foremost important thing that you need to keep in mind is never answer in yes or no. If the examiner asks you, hi Geeta, do you like ice cream? No. Or do you like watching movies? Yes. Surely, I tell you one thing, never do this. He wants you to speak. He wants each one of you who is watching this video to speak, and he wants an elaborate answer to this. He wants to look into the basics that you have to speak. He wants to assess your quality of English speaking. So if you are concise in your speaking, he will never be able to assess you or grade you. So your marks or your grade will be drastically reduced. And again, one more thing that you need to keep in mind is never go off the topic. Never go off the topic. If he is asking you about your home, don't go and tell him about your relatives. If he's asking about how the cricket is played, don't tell him that how hockey is played. So don't never go off the topic. I know you might be very enthusiastic when you are there in the IELTS speaking test, but stick yourself to the answer. Don't be too elaborate nor be too concise. Whenever you are asked, oh, how's the weather here? Sir, I don't know. How was your environment that when you came here? Sir, I don't know. Never negate your answers. Never be negative in your answers. The more you are negative, your grade will be negative. Hope you understand me. Don't speak too quickly or don't speak too slowly. When you speak slowly, it is hard to understand or derive the meaning of the sentence. But when you are too fast or too vague to answer, at times the examiner will not be able to understand the emotions that you are carrying towards when speaking. So hopefully you are able to understand that. And never speak quietly. I know that you might be nervous at situations and you have to handle that. So be loud when you speak. Don't be too loud that you break his eardrums, but you don't speak too softly. So rather, what's your name? Oh, I am Jovi. If you go like this, it's going to be too soft and he may not be able to understand you. Last but not the least, don't worry about perfect English. The mindset, most of the people who come here for Cambridge Spoken English training, IELTS training, have that, sir, I don't have a perfect English. If you worry too much about the perfect English, the emotions or the message that you would like to convey while speaking in the speaking test may not be conveyed. sorry to say that, but when you are speaking, never ever worry about perfect English, because we are all learners. We all somehow or someday we are learning something or the other thing. Even I am learning while teaching you. So somewhere or somewhat, whatever you speak, never ever worry about the perfect English. This is the key to the IELTS speaking. And hopefully we'll meet you in the next video, where we'll be going and elaborate about the second portion and the first portion of IELTS speaking. Thank you for watching me. Meet you, and don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you. Till then, bye. Cambridge Spoken English International Language Learning Center at Green Zone, Irinjalakuda.